Hello, welcome, what's up guys, I am Newbies, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to create Netherite Pickaxe in Minecraft. So you may like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment, let's go. So to create Netherite Pickaxe you need have diamond pickaxe and one netherite ingot and tablesmith. Okay, so start. You may leave like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment, let's go. So you must put diamond pickaxe and one netherite ingot. And we did it. We have netherite pickaxe. So that's all in this video. Thanks for watching, my friends. You may leave like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment. I will also invite you for my other tutorials for beginners and advanced players in Minecraft. Bye bye.